Hi, it's me, Dragonite. And we're planning for the next episode of Background today, because Double-Headed Blank is on holiday today. Right. And, hey look, there's a plane coming. Who is it? Let's go and see. Everyone, look, the plane's arrived. Look, there it is. Who's that Pooh? That's my evil twin brother. He's a bit of a poo, isn't he? Yeah. And he smells like one too. Oh, you're gonna play after that match of Monopoly. Yeah, the one where I took all the houses and I drew them in the trash can. Oh, okay. We came all the way from America. Yeah. He's still a bit of a poo. That night, that same night. We've got to get rid of that guy. Yeah! He's just destroying him, but we've got to destroy him with something. But not a battle gun. You know you say he's a bit of a poo, yeah? Well, what goes with poo? Toilet roll! Okay, we have to find the toilet roll of justice. Yeah! Yeah! Yay! Wait, we forgot about today's fight. Oh yeah, today's exciting background fight will begin. Right. Here you see someone armed with a hammer that you have to cut. You see someone armed with a gun. So, but what's better? Guns? Or hammers? There's only one way to find out. Fight! Now, like I have said always, this is a good, clean fight. Absolutely no one will get hurt. Right. Ready? 3, 2, 1, fight! Guns wins! Yay! Yeah! Yay! Let's go and get the toilet roll of justice. Okay, but it's really early. I'm gonna go back to bed. No, you have to get the toilet roll of justice. Then you can go back to bed. Okay. Whatever. We do have a long way ahead of us to get that toilet roll. Oh, for crying out loud, they'll just fly over there. Here. Right. That's good enough. Yeah. It's amazing, isn't it? So amazing. So amazing. The toilet roll of justice. Oh, it's my last dream to see this thing. Whatever. I'll start unraveling it. Right, here it is. game. You can go back to bed now. Thank you. This is going to be a really long night. Let's just throw this away. We did it! Right. I did it. Well, if you want to clip of next time's episode of Stupid Bakugan, here's a little clip of it. Just look at me for a bit. Today's fight is Fish versus Bird. Right, and then, I think by then, what's his name? Oh yeah, double-headed poo-poo head. What's he called again? Called him double-headed poo-poo head just a second ago, you dumb thing. Oh yeah, double-headed poo-poo thing. This guy will be... This guy will be back by then. And anyway, and I'll see you in the next episode of Stupid Bakugan. And here's my card. That's it. Avenoid. Yeah. Yeah, Avenoid. Yeah, whatever. That Tweeter Earl of Justice sure came in handy. And we're done.